Here is a truly gorgeous Weltmeister Monte accordion. It is a wood color, kind of a walnut. It also comes in the black forest design, but this one is a wood kind of finish around. Beautiful grain of the wood with the lacquer. It does have the kind of trim that looks like an embroidery. Has the horns on the left hand, and of course a very pretty chrome grille. It also comes with alpine straps, and it has a back pad. Overall, just a really nice alpine accordion, and this one is a 3796. Has some really great features here. So first of all, we've got all these switches, 4 reeds, and these models have Italian reeds, so they're real nice reeds in them. That's my bandoneon. This is bassoon. This is clarinet and violin. This is tremolo. This is master. This is my 3-reed musette. That's a nice alpine tuning. This one is 2 middle and a low, so it's tremolo and a low. And this is the 2 middle and a low. A little bit different, it's not the tremolo. This is my violin. And then my accordion. And if you hear the difference, that 2 middle and a low versus this one. And my musette. So just really powerful, you know, nice kind of brown colored keys and switches. Just overall beautiful. And on this particular one, it has Helikon bass. Now these can be ordered without Helikon bass, in which case they would have registers. But here, because these Helikon reeds are so big, there's actually no switches because they're always playing. And you'll hear immediately that they are Helikon bass. So just a really kind of booming sound, really nice as a trumpet kind of emulation. And of course I'll let you hear some kind of alpine tunes so you can hear what this sounds like. For this song, I'll be switching through the different musettes so you can hear what they sound like. tremolo. Now my 3-reed musette. One other musette. I'll play some of the different musette plus low combinations. This is the first one up top. And the second one. Next one is the tremolo. And now master. Of course, you still have your single reed sounds.